Tonight is going to be Rosh Chodesh Kislev, and needless to say, what an auspicious month and what a powerful month of miracles and the ability of lighting up the world. There is a certain remedy, even though I don't like using the word remedy, I rather do actions, but this is an action/remedy that was given to us by a very great Mekubal who lived about 200 plus years ago, Rabbi Palaji. And he gives a very big remedy starting from Rosh Chodesh tonight. And he says that any person that for the next month plus, from today till the last day of Hanukkah, will not complain at all about anything, will see a huge miracle in his life. So this is brought down by Rabbi Palaji. And he says that, but you can't complain about anything. Not that you don't have enough money, where's my wife, why is that person annoying me? You don't complain about nothing, no complaining. Just Shevach v'hodaya l'Hashem. Just praising Hashem and thanking Hashem. You do that, can't complain about anything. If you don't complain about anything from tonight till the last candle of Hanukkah, then he says, I guarantee to you, you'll see a huge miracle in your life. We know that tomorrow and the next day, we have 2 days Rosh Chodesh, we're going to say Hallel. On Hanukkah, we say Hallel every day. So this is a month of miracles. And all we need to do is to praise. Hallel is to praise Hashem and to thank Hashem and to be thankful and grateful for everything, even for the things that seem to us a little bit negative or not so convenient. And we have a powerful promise that if one will not complain at all and be appreciative, thankful and happy with everything, he will see a great miracle in this coming year. So I highly suggest to take this opportunity, and I'm not saying it easy, but nevertheless, every situation that comes and it's easy to complain, right away stop yourself and thank Hashem. Todah, Hashem, thank you for the good, for the bad, for everything. And needless to say that if in this month we saw so many miracles, then we apply that, we'll also see great miracles in our life.